is what I get. Oh,
welcome, Prophet.
Jehovah, Emmanuel. May the peace of the good Lord be unto this house.
Same to you, Prophet.
Please sit.
Thank you. Yes. Daughter of Zion, you request to see me?
Yes, Prophet. We want you to proceed with the prayers.
That is good. But I told you that spiritual elements are needed for the prayer.
Yes, Prophet, we already have the money for the spiritual element.
That's nice. Eli! Let me have the money so that I can go to the market and buy the things needed. Eli! Jehovah! Emmanuel. How much is it?
That's 250,000 naira.
250,000. That is good. One more question before I go. How do you want him to die?
Prophet, first of all, we want him to go mad. So once he enter the street, he will be knocked down by a car, he will die instantly.
You have a great dream. There is no peace for the wicked. Let me get going.
I'll be waiting.
The siblings I am fending for. Why would they want me down? My siblings I am giving everything. Is this just a dream? Or maybe a revelation? But the question is why.
Honestly, I can't wait for him to die.
Don't worry, he will die soon. I assure you that he's going to die soon.
Yes.
But I'm not serious.
I know, Mom. That's why I'm resting till 2 p.m. before I go to work.
No. You need at least 3 days rest.
What?
Yes.
You want all my clients to desert me? It's Papa.
You work too hard.
I know. That's why I... No. Who is that? Come in, please. Hey. Uncle. Welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
My husband.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
You're welcome.
Please sit.
You're welcome, sir. Uncle Ibe, Uncle Ude and Uncle Obaka. Thank God, my son is doing well.
What do I find?
For now, nothing.
This one, you people are here. I hope nothing happened in the village.
Nothing. What are they? Udo, they know.
And you don't want to take anything?
For now. Not that we're not going to take, but for now.
So, what is the purpose of this visit?
We are here for the marriage introduction of your daughter, Justina. Yes.
What? How?
Yes, she told us that you are against her getting married. So, I don't know.
That's not true. My husband, that's not true.
But that is what she told us. And you know our tradition. It is the duty of our kinsmen to give her their daughter's hand in marriage. That is why we are here.
Look at me, Chichi.
And the young man will soon arrive. I will want both of you to cooperate.
Yes.
We need your cooperation.
Mom, let me see, please. Let me see.
I dedicated my life for family.
I don't want to inform the elders. But if they don't leave this house now, I'll be forced to.
Mama, just calm down. You know,
Calm down, how do you mean?
tradition. It is the elders that witness marriage introduction. It's also in their power to decide who their daughter gets married. Biko.
Wait, so Justina brought them here?
Yes.
Justina is an ingrate. So after all the sacrifices I made for her to become a better person, she has chosen to pay me back with insult.
It's okay, Mom. Biko, I advise you calm down. Let's watch and see how everything will pan out. Inugo?
Okay. If marriage is a priority now, I don't have a problem with it. But I will not be part of it.
Hey, Mbano, it's no good. You are the first son of the family. You have to be involved.
Mom, I will not be part of it, and that's final. You go and sort things out with them. Mom, Monagama made this argument. I'm not part of that.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
So, you can tell us why you are here.
Okay. Once again, let me start by introducing my name first. My name is Duke Okonkwo, aka BTC Lord. Nwoke Jenko. There is this beautiful girl I saw in this very compound. And this beautiful girl we are talking about has captured my heart. That is why I am here to make my intention official to this family.
Hi. Like you just said, you saw something good in this compound. And please, can you just tell us the name of that thing that you saw?
Her name is Justina.
Hi.
Mama Ejike.
9.
Go and call Justina for us.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes.
It's not again.
My name is Duke Okonkwo, aka BTC Lord. Nwoke.
You forgot Safa. So also give one Safa.
Nwoke na transact on the state. Who is calling me? Hello? Steady phone. Yes, now I'm active. Bring deal, make we share money. I dey active. I dey deliver like Hebrew women on a steady. Yes, drop. I go pass to the wallet now. Make them credit. Make we share money. I dey active. 247. Okay. Nwoke na transact everywhere.
Hey, Omoma Sal.
Enasa PTC.
Our daughter. Omoma Sal.
Greetings, my elders.
You're welcome. This young man here, he is here to make his intentions known to us.
Yes.
The question is, will you marry him?
Yes,
Case closed. You can go.
So in our call, are you not asking us to take all these things that he came with?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a
Well,
I hope you're okay.
why not? She's fine.
My son, you're welcome.
Nwoke ji ihe. This is BTC. Okay. For accepting me, BTC Lord. This is for you. For smiling for me. For accepting Onyankonelowa. For your transport. Mama, I want to punch in some coin into your BTC wallet because I want you to get it before I leave. You can punch it. I want to surprise that you are your BTC wallet immediately.
Dikeh, I know how you feel, but it's okay now. You don't have to do this to yourself.
I feel betrayed, humiliated, and insulted.
My friend, nothing bad has happened. Yes.
You don't understand, Sam.
No, I do understand.
No, you don't. I sacrificed my joy and happiness for these people. We had an agreement to make our family a formidable one after they are done schooling and have gotten jobs. Before thinking about marriage. God, why would you let this happen now? Why?
I know how you feel. I know how terrible you feel. Okay. But since it's like this, I will advise you to get married and forget about whatever agreement you all had. Let's focus on you now.
It's not going to be easy, Sam. It's not.
I know. But you have to man up now. You are broken, you are shattered, you are disappointed, you are betrayed, all of that. In one body. That will be too heavy for you to carry. Get married, focus on yourself. That looks like the only way out now.
Do exactly as I say. Or blow your brains off. Do you understand?
Yes. Am I clear? Yes. Yes.
Oh, honey, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes.
You know that I love surprise so much. Please tell me, what is the surprise all about?
I want you to guess.
Hassan, you know very well that BTC Lord is not good in guessing. Just tell me direct.
Come on, honey, just guess.
Oh, I am not good in guessing because you know, but this surprise.
It's fine. I'll tell you.
I'll go ahead. Please,
We are expecting a baby.
Ha! My love,
No, why would I play with something as sensitive as this? I'm serious.
It's a lie.
I'm not joking, I'm pregnant.
And you keep it to yourself alone all this while?
I just wanted to make sure we were done with the whole introduction, and now we're done. The news is here.
I am super proud of you.
Thank you.
Listen, madam, come on, we walk. Thank you so much, my beautiful baby. You know what?
What?
We are going to celebrate this.
Okay.
Now tell me, where are we going to celebrate this?
Wonderful news. Okay, I'll just leave it up to you. Wherever you're taking me, it's fine.
Listen, no. I want you to tell me wherever you want. All funds are available. Money is very long enough.
I know.
Just tell me where you want us to go. Tell me.
I know. Wherever you're taking me, it's fine.
Okay. It will do you some good if you go straight to the point. As you can see, I'm just going back to work.
Okay. I know this may sound awkward, but it represents my deepest desire.
I'm listening.
Okay, I like you.
I don't like you.
At least you would have allowed me to land before interrupting me.
I know where you were headed. And I'm telling you that I don't like you, so use the gate.
Okay, maybe you're not in a good mood, but I'll be back some other time.
Don't come back here again. What? What in God's name are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Why?
The last time I visited your place, I discovered you were angry, so that was why you spoke to me in such manner.
I was not angry.
Okay, then we can have a fair discussion.
There is absolutely nothing to discuss with you.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Why do you hate me so much?
For the record, I don't hate you.
Okay, so it is un-Nigerian for a woman to ask a man out.
It's actually un-African, but that's not the issue.
So what's the issue?
The issue is that I don't want to marry you. It's that simple.
Did I do anything wrong to you? You can tell me, I'll change.
I hate it when people ask stupid questions just like you're doing now. What's difficult in what I just told you?
Okay. I'm sorry. I have to go now.
Please go and don't come back. Yes, Mom, I did.
What did he say?
He advised that you come for checkup.
Here! The doctor, check up.
Take him over here.
Won't that be too expensive for you? Eh?
Mom, health first. You have to be going there every week to make sure that this is sorted. What are you doing here?
You should even tell us the welcome first. Or tell me you're welcome at least. I brought her.
Why would you bring her to my house without informing me?
Apologies, but her coming is for a reason.
Whatever reason it is, have been sorted out between she and I. So I don't know why you would bring her here without letting me know.
Is that true?
Somehow, but all I want is...
I don't need you. Leave my place! I'm serious, I will push you out if you don't leave.
No, I'm not going to allow you to do that to a lady. Okay? Please. Chidima,
Yes.
you have to go now. I'll get back to you later.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
That was the wrong approach.
You didn't have to bring her to this place without letting me know. Allah Diana put that game.
talk. So let's talk.
Sincerely going to regret this.
Can you just shut up? Just shut up.
You and I know you're too basic to keep me quiet.
You call me basic. You call me basic, but I was able to bring your black ass here and tied you up.
You know I am. If you know what is good for you, release me from here. You're going to face the consequences.
Face the consequences? Huh? Face what consequences?
Remove your filthy, smelling drug and stop me.
You know I could just kill you right now, and nobody would know.
Get your filthy, smelling drugs hands off me now.
Bastard. Listen. I am going to call Dikeh, and you will have to talk to him. Tell him that the call you put across to him was a mistake. That you did it out of heartbreak because I dumped your ass. Tell him that was why you called.
I do no such thing. Never, ever. I won't do it.
I see. You've got so much guts. Now let me see how far your guts will take you by the time I start plucking all these hairs and those nails you have on your fingers. Let me see how far your guts can take you.
You already have me where you want. Do your worst. Do your worst. I've seen this part of you before anyway.
Patrick.
My name.
Patrick.
Yeah, that's my name.
I'll give you time. Time to think about this. But I'll come back. I will come back.
Well, there is no need of you going and wasting your time because there is nothing to think about. Do your worst. Do whatever thing you want.
Everything I do is for you to see that you are.
Yeah, hi. Guess the phone call that woke me up this morning. Dikeh, my friend. And guess who he was asking after? He was asking after you. In fact, he said he's been calling you repeatedly without any luck of getting through to you. Yes, I told him you have relocated to the UK and you had your number changed. Well, I can't say specifically why he wants to get to you. But you can call him if you can. I'm sure he'll really appreciate that. Yes. All right.
Why? Everything I do is for you to see that you are living a good life. I want a good future for you guys.
You don't seem happy to see me.
Maybe.
Maybe. Anyways, I observed you no longer come home on holidays.
And I don't intend to come back to your house ever again.
Why?
If you're asking me why as if you don't know the reason.
If I knew, I wouldn't be asking you.
Okay, fine. Since you don't know the reason, I will gladly tell you the reason.
Please do.
Ever since I discovered that you operate with some dark powers, I decided to stop coming to your house.
What?
Brother, you asked me to explain, right? So why not allow me to land? Your plan was to use myself and Justina for ritual to further boost your wealth. So when we are done with school and have a good job, you even plan to mortgage our own future for your own personal interest. But the good Lord we serve, the Almighty God we serve, revealed your secret to us, so we decided to distance ourselves from you.
This is ridiculous. What nonsense are you talking about?
But you pretend as if you don't know what I'm saying.
What rubbish truth are you saying?
Brother, you slapped me?
And I will slap the hell out of you if you lie against me again. Have you gone insane?
I will allow this to go just for one reason. Just for one reason. You evil man.
Lawrence, after all my sacrifice for this family, Moa, onye ogwu ego.
Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life.
You see, I am not that bad after all. I brought you food. So eat.
Yeah.
Poison you.
No, never.
You think if I had wanted you dead, you wouldn't have been dead by now? Huh?
Really? I hate
you need to eat to be alive. We have a lot to do.
operative. Don't you understand? You don't know. It's by force.
Eat and stay alive.
Yep. Children, do not pick my call. Do not pick my call. Do not pick my call.
So I discovered that you hacked my phone. That was how you got Dikeh's number. You scanned through my phone and I will delete every app you have here.
You don't have to. I'll call it Dikeh. I'll tell you Dikeh. What's everything you want me to tell you? Don't go through my phone. Don't delete anything.
I knew it. I knew it that your phone was your weak point. Good. Now we have a deal. Eat your food. We're not yet done. I'll be right back. We'll have a lot to talk about. Eat your food.
Why would they want me dead? The siblings I am fending for.
Don't you think you're making a silly mistake here?
Silly mistake, you say?
Yes.
I thought I've told you the genesis of everything that happened. Why are you making me look so stupid?
Frank, why are you not saying what is so glaring before you? You shouldn't have insulted your brother the way you did. Over what? Over a prophecy you're yet to verify?
Wait a minute, Franca. Who are you? Huh? My advisor or what?
Someone who cares. A lot of people have made the same mistake. So why are you in a haste to make the same mistake?
Franca, let that be my headache. Alright? But let me tell you something. I don't want to hear this from anyone else. If I should do, you will not like the way I will react to you if you disobey my instructions.
Lawrence, I just pity people who fall victims to these fake prophets looking for people to extort money from.
I dedicated my life for family, treating them with love and care. Being a father figure, putting them first in everything. I kept my happiness aside, trying to give the best to my siblings. But is this what I get in return? Hey,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. You said you wanted to see me?
Yes.
I would appreciate it if we go straight to the point.
Okay, truth is, I just want to apologize for the way I treated you in the past. I know I have treated you very badly, so I want to say I'm sorry.
HK, it's fine. You explained to me why you didn't want to marry me, and I perfectly understand. We don't need to go over this again and again.
Yeah, but that's not the only reason I called to see you. I have also reflected upon it, and I want to give you a second chance in my life.
HK, this is coming too late.
How do you mean?
I'm married now.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. I guess I can go now, right?
Yeah, sure. My regards to your man.
He will hear. To have a beautiful day.
And you too.
Since my son got back yesterday, he has not been himself. He has been agonizing and lamenting.
I can understand, Mom. He felt really betrayed.
Betrayed by who?
By his siblings, Lawrence and Justina. He can't come to terms with the unfounded allegations leveled against him. He's yet to come to terms with reality, with the things they said about him.
Do you know he never mentioned any of this to me? That is why I called you. Because I know as his best friend, he would have confided in you.
Yes, he did. I don't know who they listen to. I don't know who brainwashed them. For them to think that my friend, Ejike, has been a ritual all his life and he has been planning to hijack their destinies.
What?
Oh, yes. I am as shocked as you are. I never believed that a human being could be this deceived.
Justina and Lawrence?
Oh, yes.
God.
I'm broken myself.
What is this?
I'm broken myself.
What am I going to do? How do I handle this? Are you sure of what you're saying? Yes, he said he wanted to talk to me.
Yes.
All right, I'm listening.
Why are you wearing that long face? What is going on?
Excuse me, what's funny? When you and your brother decided to ruin the love, the peace and oneness we enjoyed in this family, what were you thinking? When you decided to destroy everything your brother labored so hard to build up over the years, what were you expecting? A joyful song from me? Or what exactly?
It's unfortunate you do not know that what is coming is far better than whatever he has built, Mom.
Why are you so ungrateful? Justina, I ask you, why are you being ungrateful?
Mom, I'm not. It's unfortunate you do not understand.
And why have you decided to be saying damaging words against your own brother? Why?
Mom, I'm not even here to talk about HK. Here, this is my wedding invitation.
What? You want to wed without traditional marriage?
Anyways, our caseman calculated everything the Ibanku entails, and my husband paid in full. So has they declared me his wife?
Justina, you had the nerves to have your traditional marriage without our consent. And now, you went ahead to fix your wedding date without our contribution?
Well, Mom, I'm sorry everything is happening fast. I didn't really envisage it to be that way. I hope you get to understand.
Very well then. Since everything is happening fast, I guess I and my son are not even needed in the wedding because I'm so sure he's not even aware of what is going on.
Now listen, Mom. If HGK were to be the only family member that I have alive, I cannot invite him to my wedding.
Justina, you and Lawrence are running on a very wrong direction. And I want to let you know, I want you to have this at the back of your mind, that no matter how fast you think you are running, you can never, emphasis on never, can never get to your destination.
I see he has bewitched you, Mom. I totally understand. But guess what? I'm not even here to banter words with you. Thank God for the supportive kinsmen who are already proven to be the family that I need. I thank God for them. And here is your card.
Get out. Get out! You want me to call the securities on you? Get out with your lousy wedding. Get out!
Your card is here, Mom.
Can you imagine? Is the M43 for me? You went ahead, did your traditional marriage without informing us, and now you want to wed. You think I am looking for an occasion to attend?
You sent for me?
Yes. Please sit down. Okay. Lawrence.
BTC Lord.
I want to welcome you officially. Or should I say, I want to introduce you officially to the world of cryptocurrency. Are you ready?
Always ready and standing by.
Good, good. You know, I do trading.
You told me that already.
Good. And I do 30% genuine, 70% illegal.
How do you mean?
Good. I trade 30% genuine with my genuine customers, while 70% I do fraud. You understand? We give them the story they need to hear. As a child story. Men are not smiling. Oh, you be. I don't know if you understand my point now.
I understand you.
Just come this way and take a good look of what I am talking about. Are you seeing this now? Very one here now. This woman is paying nothing less than 400,000 USD.
$400,000
by month end. This very woman here.
Hey.
Are you seeing it?
Yes.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Okay.
In my master bedroom, I have a bigger monitor. Yes, where I don't monitor my things in my private office.
Okay.
You understand? So that is what I mean by 70% fraud.
And 30%
illegal. Genuine ones is like there are formats. I will get you a new system like this. Okay. Then I will now log in some tools There are things we use in working. You understand? So just get ready. In your be.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
It is a Lord the second.
Chooks, I have a simple question for you, and I want to go straight to the point. I want you to answer me. Why have you not been picking my calls? Why are you avoiding my calls?
I'm so surprised you are still repeating the question.
That is because you have not given me what I want to hear. You have not said what I want to hear. Why are you avoiding my calls? And every time I send you messages, you deliberately don't reply them.
Okay, fine. All right? Since you want to hear the reason why I've been avoiding your calls, right? Okay. I am done. Yes, I've moved on. And I expect you to do the same.
What?
Oh yes, you heard me. It is over between us. I tried to explain this by not picking your call, but obviously you are so daft that you cannot read the handwriting on the wall.
Chooks.
Yes?
You. John. What was I even thinking in the first place to have dated you? What was I thinking?
So you have forgotten so soon. Now let me remind you. You needed money badly. So I discovered that, and then I found a way to give you some change, and you fed for it.
You're an idiot. You are a very stupid idiot. That is what you are. An idiot.
I'm holding my peace, because if anyone should be an idiot here, it is you, not me. You left a guy that loves you genuinely. A guy that can give it up for you. But no, you decided to follow me because of the change you're going to get from me.
You dodged my slap.
No, let me warn you. Let me warn you, Mary. If your hand touches me, I swear to God, you're not going to use this hand for 1 week. What's wrong with you?
Chooks, it has gotten to the point that I want to slap you, dodge it. Eh?
See, let me give you the last warning. The next time I see you any inch close to my compound again, I'm going to deal with you. Now leave this place.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Chooks!
Don't ever call my name again. You left somebody that loves you because of money, because of material things. Leave this place now before I call the cops on you.
Hey, Chooks.
Idiot.
Chooks. Hey, Merit. Hey, you have messed up. You. Hey.
Justin.
Who owns this car?
Oh, that's my car.
Your car how? That expensive car you own.
Hold on. The best in-law in the world brought me into his business of cryptocurrency. And guess what? Just one trade, like one trade, gave me the money I used to purchase that car you just saw.
Wait, is that how it works?
You've not seen anything yet, my dear sister.
Wait. You're serious that's your car?
Our car.
Congrats!
Thank you very much, dear sister.
Bro, this is an expensive car. Oh, this counts for celebration. Wait, let me go and see the car very well.
You can't stop that, baby. I swear. I don't do that. Just send me your boots, don't worry. Make I credit you sharp. Yes, send them. I will credit you ASAP. No fear. Alright. Well, thank you very much. Nice doing business with you. We are listening.
Is it true that you both labeled your brother evil and deserted him?
We did not only label him evil. We are very much aware that he is an occultic man.
And let me tell you something, Mr. Sam, or whatever your name is called. I did cook akpo for Ejike. And once that akpo done, once the akpo where the cook for Ejike done, I swear to God who made me, I will kill Ejike. I will make sure I kill Ejike.
I can't believe myself. I can't believe you both are saying this after everything Ejike did for you guys.
And what exactly did he do for us that we can actually do for ourselves?
My sister, ask him. Ask him!
Is this coming from the two of you? You are saying this about your brother, Ejike, the one I know. How can you? Let me even ask you. Who told you that Ejike is an occultic man after everything he did for you guys?
Nobody told us anything.
The Lord, the Almighty God, revealed it to us.
Yes.
Hey. Is it the same God that I know? No, if it's the same God that I know, he cannot reveal this kind of thing to you. Maybe another God. The Lord has revealed to you wrongly. Yes, if I were you both, I would have just gone back to him quietly, apologized to him, and seek for his forgiveness.
We will do no such thing. Yes.
Okay, sir. Are you done with the reason you came? No, yes, let's go. This man no get talk, I think.
Once you are done, that is the door.
Lawrence, Justina, who are you both listening to? Who are you talking?
Oh, why?
Lady Cynthia, how did it go with Patrick?
I had to let him walk.
I thought you wanted him dead.
Yes, I wanted him dead. But on a second thought, I just had to let him go.
Lady Cynthia, Patrick is not the kind of guy you allow go like that. You know why? He will certainly fight back.
No, he wouldn't. I disarmed him before letting him go.
How do you mean?
I came to return your phone.
It's obvious you already deleted my apps and my tracking devices.
Yes.
Cynthia, let me go.
Yes,
please.
I did.
Then let me go. Please.
Of course I will let you go. The good thing is, I have succeeded in getting you off my neck with this your tracking system. So now, you're free to go. You are a free man now.
But there's no way I can untie myself. You need to untie me.
Figure it out yourself. The door is open.
Lady Cynthia, you would have just killed that guy in that dark room.
Frank, sincerely, I wanted to kill him. I wanted to do that. But all the good things he did for me while we were together just surfaced. They were right in front of me. It stood for him. I couldn't just stand pulling the trigger. I just had to let him go.
Patrick is deadly. Read my lips. Patrick is so deadly. He will certainly fight back.
He wouldn't do a thing like that.
How sure are you?
I am very sure of that. Wouldn't.
Who allowed you in?
I saw the gate open, so I just walked in.
So what do you want?
Baby, I am sorry. I am sorry for everything I did to you. I don't know what came over me. And I am here to tell you that it will never happen again.
Of course, it will never happen again because I am not going to give you the chance to hurt my feelings ever again. Now get out.
I'm sorry. Remember the times we shared together. And please.
Listen to me. By the time I go out there and come back, I don't want to meet you here.
Lawrence, baby. Lawrence.
What are you still doing here?
Baby, I'm sorry.
Listen to me. Point of correction. I am not your baby, okay?
Please. I know I messed up.
Oh, thank God you know you messed up.
Let me fix things. Let me make amends. I'll fix it. Please.
Listen to me. Number one, I am not your love. Okay? Because you ceased to be my love the very first day you made a caricature of me in the public.
I know. But like I said, let me fix things. Let me make amends. I will do it. I'll fix everything that I've destroyed, please.
Now listen to me. I am not interested. And there will be nothing like amendment in this relationship. Okay? Listen to me. I don't want to see you in my house again. Alright? Good.
Lawrence. Lawrence.
You want my food to burn?
No, I don't want your food to burn.
What? Okay, tell me.
Listen, I ordered the latest ML350 for you. Don't shout.
It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Honey, you're lying now, it's not true. ML what?
350, latest model for you.
Honey, it's not too much.
Ego the word. Money too long, you will have your own share.
I love you, thank you so much. Are you serious?
Just go and concentrate on your.
How can I concentrate? I'm off in that food. Jesus! Oh my gosh, honey, thank you. Is it like I'm calling my brother?
This is a lot. Why anything for you?
I was busy inside when you called.
Please. I want you to help me speak to Lawrence.
Talk to Lawrence about what?
We had a little misunderstanding, and since then, he has refused to talk to me.
What exactly did you do?
It's personal.
Really? It's personal. On that note, I would have to go. There's no need.
No. Okay, I'll talk. He saw me with another man, and since then he has refused to talk to me. He's upset with me.
Well, he actually told me what you did to him at the mall. You know what? Girls like you do not deserve a second chance in a man's life.
Please don't talk like that, please.
Yes, you are just like a fair weather friend. When the going is good, you are in there. And when it's not, the ship sinks. Sorry to disappoint you. I cannot talk to my brother.
Please, see, I'm sorry.
I would like to know what Ejike, your brother, did to both of you that made you desert him.
Mom, your son Ejike is evil.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up, Lawrence? So if you see evil, won't you recognize it? At your age, if you see evil, won't you recognize it?
Mom, the thing is that you can't even understand.
I do not want to understand anything. In fact, I don't care. All I want is this madness to end here and now.
Mom, Ejike, your son deserves to die. And I will kill him at the appropriate time.
Look at you. Look at you. Do you have any proof to your claim? Can you prove it?
Mom, see, when we are ready to deal with him, we'll give you all the proof you need.
Aha! You see? That means you have no proof to your claims. You have no proof at all to your claim that he is evil. You just embarked on a journey of calling names to justify your ungrateful act. Shame on you. Shame on both of you.
Mom, I can see you don't have any other thing to say. So we beg to leave.
Yes. Of course.
Let's go.
Whatever. But I want to make this known to you. You see this nonsense both of you are cooking up. You see this nonsense both of you are cooking up will certainly backfire. And when that time comes, you will come begging.
Never.
Oh, really? Now listen to me. As long as Ejike, my son, is not evil, as long as his hands are clean, it will backfire, and I pray by then it will not be too late for the both of you.
You know what, Lawrence? Let's go. Mom has always taken sides with his son. Let's go. There's no need arguing. I don't even know why we came.
Ah, God. What is happening to my children? What is happening to my children? Why are they fighting against their own blood brother? What has come over them? What is this? This is not how I raised them up. This is not how I raised them up, God. Oh. What is this?
Tell your boss that the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission are here to see him now.
Yes, sir.
That was usually, so please make yourself proceed. Hey, good dogs. Okay. You have received the cement, right? Good. Just wait. They have paid for the ties. Soon you will. Don't worry. Don't worry. In the next, let's say 25 minutes, the cement will be there. Okay? I have some gentlemen here in my house. Let me attend to them. Thank you. Gentlemen, what are you doing in my mansion?
We are operatives of the EFCC.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Just sit down and make yourself comfortable. What do you want? I have Dom Perignon, I have Hennessy, I have Moet. What do you care for? Let me entertain you guys.
Well, unfortunately, we're not here for all that.
So, what is the problem? Why are you here? You're under arrest for cyber crimes and all related offenses.
Cyber Guinea. Young man, you guys are at the wrong place. I don't deal on such business. I am a legit businessman. I deal on foreign ties, foreign doors. I do supply sand. You just heard me answer a call not quite long ago. I'm talking to my clients. I don't engage myself on such a dirty transaction. No, they called me Onyego in Mbo. I have shop in Mbo, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Enough! I can see your marketing skills. But you explain better when you get to the office. Please move. Move.
Let me make it right. I will offer 5 million naira each.
The order is to bring you to the office and you must follow us.
Okay, I understand maybe you got back to go. Look, I am offering 15 million naira for each of you. Oyenka 15, can't do no bangway.
Don't get this more complicated for yourself.
These ones are not businessmen. Alright, I will go, but I am going with my car. I don't hit them. I'm going with my car.
The people that will seal this house and everything you have are waiting outside. But we go in our car. You need to go now. Everything you have will be sealed until this case is done. Move. Move.
What is it?
I have something to tell you. Though I would have told you earlier before now.
Okay, I'm listening.
Duke asked me to invest with him. Like, he made me an offer to invest with him, and I accepted.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. How much did you invest?
87 million naira. And that is all I have in my account.
87 million naira?
Yeah.
So how much are you expected to make?
400 million naira.
400 million? Oh, that's a lot. You know what? You're in safe hands. You don't even need to worry yourself.
Man, that your Duke is really into money.
You can say that again.
I want to thank you for bringing such a man into our family.
Please excuse me, Joyce. You know your brother-in-law.
I swear to God.
Don't be saying it before they will kidnap you.
Listen to me. Once that money lands, I will buy you a car.
How many cars will I be driving?
Drive what your cars in the world, man. Come on, you deserve it.
Okay, you know what? Let's go home. So you actually packed the time in this. Let's go, just start the car. 400 million.
Yeah.
Wow. Who do we have here? How are you doing? Please sit.
Fine. How are you?
I'm good. I was told you traveled out of the country. Sam told me.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, great. When did you come back?
Last night.
You're welcome. How was your trip?
It was beautiful.
I can see. You look different and you look radiating.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what do I offer you?
I just came for us to talk. I don't want anything. I'm fine.
Don't tell me you're turning down my cola.
Not at all.
What do I offer you?
Okay. Anything, I'm good.
Fine. Anne, please get me a bottle of wine and 2 glasses. Look at you, you have changed.
Really?
You're looking so beautiful now.
Thank you so much.
I guess that country favored you.
I never knew you could be this funny.
Sometimes, but not always.
But maybe it's me. I always meet you in a bad mood. I don't know.
Not really. So why did you decide to come see me?
But first, I want to let you know that I got back from the UK because of you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I'm safe.
Of course you're safe. I also want to let you know that I am still unmarried. But maybe I'll be getting married soon.
Of course you'll be getting married soon, because I will marry you.
What? Wait. You're kidding, right?
I've never been this serious all my life. I've been looking for you everywhere, and here you are in front of me. Please marry me.
Of course.
You will?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much.
Sealed by what?
EFCC.
How can they sell our house?
I don't know. What's going on here?
What of my husband?
Just do you know what? Call Duke on phone.
But why would they sell our
Call
house?
Duke first.
Oh my God, is it possible they locked him inside?
What's going on? What happened?
His phone is switched off.
No, it can't be. Try it again. Try it again. EFCC? What?
Are you Mr. Lawrence? You are under arrest for internet fraud and other related offenses.
Sir, please, he's
Woman,
innocent.
stay out of this.
He's my brother, he's innocent, he did not do anything.
Gentlemen, do you know what? Move. Mr. Man, let's go.
Excuse me. Sir, brother, let me explain to you.
Do you know you are moving? I know. Mr. Man, listen.
Brother, let me tell you.
Do you know this talk of murder? Mr. Man, move it.
Listen, move. We can settle this, okay?
Listen,
we can settle this.
Brother, yes.
You know what?
Brother.
Woman, stay out of this.
I will give you 10 million. 20
And
million.
he'll give you money.
I know. And I will.
Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life. Hey, I want a good future for you guys. Hey, my siblings, my all, my family is my priority. But something come, they confuse me.
Feel good. I need it. I would not. I feel good.
Mom, good evening.
No.
Mama.
Good night.
Mama.
AGK more.
Oh, get in there,
I haven't seen you this excited in a very long time.
I know. God has answered my prayers.
Really?
Yes.
So, testimony time.
I found the woman of my dreams.
Whoa! Are you saying that you are considering marriage?
Yes, Mom.
Oh my God!
the best news of today.
No, it is the best news of my entire life.
You can say that again. So, who is she?
I can see you can't wait to meet her.
I can't wait!
Not to worry, Mom. I invited her for the weekend, so I'll explain everything when she comes to get to meet her.
I can't wait! Weekend, where are you? Just go!
I
know! Hey!
I know, Mom.
Congratulations, my
Thank
son.
you, Mom.
Hey!
Let me go upstairs and freshen up. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Oh my God.
So good! Pam, pam, so good! Pam, pam!
Latest groom! Hey! So finally, my son is about to get married. And I will be the latest grandmother. It's my time and my turn. It's my time. The latest grandmother is my turn and my time.
In this kind of dream, yeah. Why would they want me dead? The siblings I am fending for. Why would they want me down? My siblings I am giving everything.
What do I do now? Where do I find this prophet? He's the only one that has solutions to this problem. Hey.
Prophet is not a prophet. Yes. He thrives on manipulating people, then extort money from them. If you still find him, he's going to manipulate you and still collect money from you.
How do you know this?
I know it because his cover has been blown and he's on the run.
Wait, do you mean that everything he told me is a lie?
Lies is an understatement. The right word to use for that man is scam. He's a scammer. Yes, one Mr. Patrick was actually handling the phone. He hacked all the number that was connected to your brother's phone because he was trying to get to him because your brother slept with one of the girls.
I'm finished. Merit, I'm finished with. You mean everything he told me about brother Dikeh is a lie?
Yes, it's a lie. They're fraudsters. All they do is break homes.
Will brother Dikeh ever forgive you?
It's okay.
I am finished.
See, look. You just have to make amends if you've already acted on based on what you heard. Okay?
I thought he was real. I thought he was a man of God.
It's okay. You don't cry. It's okay.
Brother Dikeh.
It's okay. You understand? It's not your fault.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my. This man deceived me and my brother.
That's what fraudsters do. They deceive.
So this man is a fake prophet.
Yes.
He's a fake prophet.
Scammer.
Hey, who will I do? Who will I do?
My siblings I am giving everything.
The day is here.
Mom.
Are you saying you don't want to get involved at all?
Yeah.
Look, Loris may be jailed and Justina homeless. For some time now, she has been staying in the hotel. And I'm sure very soon her money will run out.
Mom, you were here when they packed their things and left this house, calling me names. Accusing me of all sorts. Exactly the same thing I've been dreaming about. And you want me to dismiss all of that?
Agunaya, it's me. Please, no matter what, they are still your siblings. They only acted like children that they are.
Mom, our appointment at the registry is for 1 p.m. It's 12 noon already. My wife and her people would have been on their way now. I cannot be late for my own wedding now. What are you doing here?
Please, you need to calm down. Regardless, she's still your kid sister. And you don't have to do anything that will make us regret. Please.
Rico.
Brother, please. We were deceived by the prophecy. It was never our intention to hurt you.
Today is a special day for me. I don't want you to destroy it. Sam, let's go.
Bro, please, I've not come to destroy it. I actually came to be part of it. Because you gave Larissa and I every reason to succeed.
Yet you went out there to ruin my name? Did you ever think of me? Did you ever think how I could go through all of that if not that Mama was with me?
Oh, please, I'm sorry. I don't have any other person. You're the only one I have, please. Please.
Agonaya, for my sake, please forgive. Forgive her, please. For my sake.
Oh, it's okay. We have a wedding to attend, okay? Get everybody ready. Let's go.